If you've been charged with a federal crime, you're probably concerned about whether or not you're going to lose your job. And that's a very important thing to consider, which you must discuss with your attorney. Now, if you do not have a professional license, the decision of whether or not you're going to keep your job is between you and your employer. Typically, those are addressed in a human resources manual, which you can consult, and if need be, get guidance from a fellow worker or one of your managers. However, if you have a professional license and your arrest is discovered by the licensing agency, you're probably going to have an inquiry that may or may not affect your ability to continue working. However, you're under no obligation to report just an arrest. If you're a licensed professional, particularly in the state of Florida, you only have to report that arrest at the time when there's been a finding of guilt, typically at the conclusion of the case. Of course, there are exceptions to that rule, such as for attorneys who get arrested and how the Florida bar treats that. But this is, as I said earlier, a very important question. I happen to represent many licensed professionals and have encountered this situation many times. Feel free to give me a call to talk about it. You'll be glad that you did.